Hello, welcome to everyone in this video. This is our lecture number 6. In this lecture series, we discuss about the gate physics question, chapter wise solution, mathematical methods. We continue. Today, we want to discuss about the question which asked in 2021 on these mathematical methods. First question says that a matter wave represented by this wave function, the unit vector or the direction of propagation of this matter. This is the general equation of the wave function of matter wave, that is a exponential I k dot r minus omega t. If we compare with this, that is k dot r is this one, r is x cap, y cap, z cap, and if we take this k is, then it satisfy with this equation. So the magnitude of this k is this one. So the k cap, that is the unit vector of this propagation, that is k vector by mod k equal to this. So option A is the correct answer of this question. Next question says, if yn is the solution of this differential equation, which is Hermitian equation, n is an integer and prime denote the differentiation with respect to x, and the plot of psi x equals to, which are the correct? So the solution of this equation is the Hermitian solution, that is c exponential x square by 2 h n x. Now if we take n equals to 0, then h0x is 1, so this will be the Gaussian function. Its distribution is like that. So option B is the correct, A is incorrect. And when n equals to 1, this is 2x, this one, and this representation will be like that. At x equal to 0, this is 0, and x equal to infinity, this is also 0. So there is a maximum here, maximum, minimum here. So this nature satisfy equation, this option C satisfy, option D is incorrect. So answer will be option B and C. Next question says, a function f of t defined is this Laplace transformation, and whereas Fourier transformation is this one. So which one are the correct? Actually, by definition, Laplace transformation, the time domain function is complex domain. So this is always real, this is not correct. Complex is correct. So option B is correct. Then this can be never meant connected and can be connected. So we just taking this s as a complex variable like that, and if we put, and if we choose this sigma is 0, then this can be represented at this one. So this Laplace transformation can be Fourier transformation when this real part is 0. So can never made connected, this is not correct. So option D is correct. So option B and D are the answer of this question. Next question, P and Q, the Hermitian matrix, exist a matrix which diagonalize the both these P and Q like that, where S1 and S2 is diagonalized matrix. The correct statement are. So P and Q is Hermitian, so it satisfies this P dagger equals to P, Q dagger equals to Q, and eigenvalue of Hermitian matrix are really are strictly real. When a matrix is diagonalized, the diagonal element are the eigenvalue, so these also are real. So the element of S1 and S2 are the real. Option A is the correct. Next, that is P can be determined from this. If you operate P, the R inverse, and here R, then will be get P, and similarly Q. So PQ will be this one, Q P equal to this one. As S1 S2 are diagonal matrix, so these are commute, that is S1 S2 equal to S2 S1. So these two are equal, so PQ equal to QP. So P and Q are commute. So option D also correct. Now PQ dagger can be written as Q dagger P dagger, and Q dagger equals to Q, P dagger equals to P. So this is PQ. So dagger is equals to this one. So this is real, not complex. So option B and C are incorrect. So option A and D is the right answer of this question. Next question says, this is the contour integral. So n is closed. So the figure radius is minus 100 to plus 100, and what will be the value of this one? So here you can see this is the diverge, that is the poles are at these 2 points, that is z1 equals to n plus I pi, and if you take the maximum values 5, so this will 5.9, which is within this radius. So these are the inside all the thing, but minus I pi is negative also outside. So these are the outside. So only inside the residue can be find out from this relation. which is 2 I pi. So in is 2 I pi is the sum of all residue, so this is 1, and just summing this in, which is also 5, so answer will be 5. So this is all about me, this is my contact details, and this is my YouTube channel. So take care, we'll meet in the next video as soon as possible. Thank you.